Hi guys, this is Sarjoghian from Quant Quest again. So today I would like to talk with you about some sort of subject that we have talked about it before as well, but I just want to remind you guys. So I have seen people who are start trading in the market by watching some videos or some clips or some books, reading some books, and they take a look at the charts and they're gonna say, oh, it's easy. So it's coming down, going up, coming down again, going up. But it seems easy, to be honest with you. I was like one of them. When I started at the start point, I was like one of those guys who thinks like that. But that's not the case. The market has no mercy for anybody, right? And the market can go anywhere, literally anywhere. So I have seen the price start dropping from 4,000 all the way to 1,300, and I have seen the stock start from like 500 bucks, went all the way up to 5 grand. So if you are not in the range with the market, if you are getting position against the market, you tell me if your entry point is gonna be at 500 bucks, and if the market is gonna go against you like 5 grand, so what's gonna happen to your capital? So your capital is gonna be gone for sure. In the halfway through, your whole capital is gonna be gone. So the trading is not easy. So I'm gonna tell you the history about one of my friends who has a big position. He's a kind of CEO in one of the big corporations. They are creating the vehicle parts around the world, and his income is very good, to be honest with you. Back to 3-4 weeks ago, he called me and says, you know what, I have an appointment with one of those banks in downtown, and they are offering me and have a meeting with me to have a sit with me, and they want me to invest in their bank, and then they suppose to give me some sort of return on my investment. And what do you think? And he was on the way to go to the office while he was calling me. I said, you know what, ask him 2 questions. I guess you're smart enough. After they're gonna respond to those questions, you're gonna make up your mind. So first question, so mostly they're gonna charge you based off the flat rate. The flat rate basically for the banks is that they're gonna charge you regardless. I mean, every month they're gonna charge you based off your agreement, 2%, 1%, whatever it is, that's a flat rate, and they don't care whether you're gonna make money or you're gonna lose money. They're gonna charge you every single month, and it's gonna draw that money from your account. So that's the meaning of the flat rate. And this, I asked him, I said, listen, when you get over there, just tell them, instead of giving you the flat rate, whatever the flat rate, the percentage it is, it could be 2% or 1.5%, but whatever it is, just double it up, but put one condition. I say, just tell them you are willing to pay them instead of 2%, such an instance, you are willing to pay 4%, like twice more than the original one, but based off the performance. And he goes like, what do you mean by that? I said, okay, the performance, that means if you make money based off their decision in the market and get a position in the market, if you make money, they make money. If you lose money, you don't need them to ask them to reimburse you, but you are only willing to pay them when they make money for you. But instead of 2%, you are willing to give them 4%. And the second question was that I asked him to ask them that if at some point, if he's gonna change his mind about his money, and he needs his money to go back to his account and use it for some other reason, so how long it's gonna take for them to take the money back to his account? So those 2 questions is crucial. Why is that? Because first of all, if you don't make money and they're gonna keep charging you, basically you are investing for them, not for yourself. And the second, if at some point some emergency is gonna come up and you're gonna be forced to ask for your money back, they're gonna say, oh no, it's gonna take a year for that money to be cashed out and sit on your account. So you're gonna get some sort of trap with them. So you got stuck with them. So there is no way around it for you to have access to your assets. So He went to the office, and after 2 hours, he called me back and he started laughing on the phone and he says, buddy, you were right. These guys are crooked. They are trying to lock up my money, and they are not willing to be just a little bit flexible with me in order to get to the agreement. So I just walk out from that agreement.